You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
So hi guys, today is my bus journey from Bengaluru to Goa. So I'm here at KSRTC bus terminal 1, but I'm not traveling by KSRTC or Kadamba. I'm actually traveling by Streamline private bus, AC sleeper. The reason is because I've traveled by KSRTC bus trips, recently done quite a few bus trips with that bus. So I'm just trying a different one. But then of course if you want me to do the Goa to Bangalore by KSRTC Airavat, let me know. I'll try for that as well. But then mera thikana nahi. I mean, I'm not sure myself whether I'll be going Goa to Bangalore or not. This going to Goa, Pune, Bengaluru, Pune. So the reason for doing this bus journey by Streamline is because I checked 3 different applications: GoIBibo, Make My Trip and Redbus as well. And in all the 3 applications, this was like the top rated bus. It was a highly rated bus, so I thought of trying by that. No shortage of buses is here. Intercity as well. So this is a 13 hours bus journey, and the bus route is going to be Bengaluru, Hubli, Karwar and then Goa. The bus fare was around 1700. I mean, now during the Christmas and that time it was like double. I mean, like the others as well. And KSRTC fare would Airavat semi-sleeper would be around 1400. Not sure. So you've got around 3 to 4 KSRTC Airavat buses as well, if you want to try that. So just had something to eat quickly before my bus comes. It's 8:05 PM. Bus would come around 8:15 PM. The pickup point is Kukeshri Travels. Here only the bus would come. Now I know probably you guys would have liked KSRTC Airavat, but thoda kabhi kabhi change, it's good now. Just try. So the driver's name is Roshan, and I've been informed that he is a ripper as well. I mean by one of my co-friends who's also a YouTuber who had travelled by that bus. Indian Bus Explorer, if you know. So he had suggested, yeah, he's a good driver. So let's see. Leaving for Hyderabad. So my bus is finally here, 8:40 PM. Streamline. So this bus is full as well. I think full. So this is why it's top rated. Bisleri, pani, some snacks also. Waiting for that. Roshan bhai. So much stuff. So full golden ambience. MG. Golden pillows also. Blanket. Running light as well. AC vent. And USB charging. This is my seat. Lower sleeper. Perfect view. Running lights. Mast dikhta hai. All golden, purely AC vent. One here, second AC vent, USB charging point, then the light chalta hai. So basically this is the goodie bag. Chips, then what is that called? Wipes, bottle and biscuit. case I forgot to mention, you need to be fully vaccinated. That is both vaccines done, first and second, in order to enter Goa, whether from Bengaluru or Mumbai. So I'll shoot once we reach or cross Tumkur. That is when the bus will get free. The crew and all will be free. White, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow. Washroom break. So 10:05 p.m. halted at Hotel Dakshana Grand, Sugama. Just a loo break. 5-10 minutes. Ex Sheetal bus again. Yeah, it's a bit cold. So this is our halt, our bus halt, Hotel Daksha Grand, and just next to it you have Sri Ratnam. So KSRTC buses stop here. This bus is going to Banahatti. My KSRTC Bengaluru to Shirdi bus, Ambari, that also stopped here. So I'll quickly have some tea. So this is actually a dinner halt only, I mean a short dinner halt. Or after exiting the Bengaluru traffic, Tumkur, so here then they stop. Then it's going to be non-stop, I guess. May halt for loo break later on. Side travels. Definitely ex Sheetal. Weaker. So this is an Ashok Leyland bus. On the steering it had that Mercedes-Benz emblem, but it's an Ashok Leyland bus. आता ना पूरा आता है क्लियर। अभी लाइट चालू किया ना तो पूरा क्लियर है। डेंजरस है बोला ये रास्ता। 5:30 AM just stopped for loo break. बहुत भगाया मस्त येलापुर घाट में. So basically the foggy road that you saw, that was like 70 kilometers before Hubli wala shortcut, which then joins Yellapur. So Manju Anna told me that you save 70 kilometers going all the way till Hubli and then coming to Yellapur. So now it's Roshan Bhai at the wheel. 5:47 AM.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋಗಡೆ ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕಾಟ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ
इतना फॉग रोज रहता है क्या? इतना फॉग रोज रहता है क्या?
रोज है आज
ज़्यादा है ना? 6:57 AM Carver, full fog.
ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ತಿರ್ಗೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ರಾಮನಡಿ ಕೊಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರೆ
Goa border. So now they'll just check for the vaccine. सबका वैक्सीन चेक करेंगे. RTO check post. So ours is done. 7:17 AM. Panji 94 kilometers, Ponda 77, Margao 61. So reached Panjim 9:32 a.m. just 2 minutes late. So actually the time that it mentions for Madgaon is 9:15 and for Panjim is 9:30, but that is wrong obviously, because it can't take only 15 minutes. It takes around 1 hour to reach Panjim. Hyderabad, Goa. So from here it will go to Mapsa, last stop, 10 a.m.